Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to criminology studies. In this video, we'll dive into essential review questions designed to sharpen your legal knowledge and investigative skills. Criminology, 10 items review questions, set 6A. Are you ready to challenge yourself, test your expertise, and prepare for success in your exams? Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay updated with more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, and in-depth legal insights. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. A body of knowledge regarding delinquency and crime as a social phenomenon. A. Crime. B. Criminology. C. Sociology. D. Offense. It may also refer to the study of crimes and criminals and the attempt of analyzing scientifically their causes and control and the treatment of criminals. A. Crime. B. Criminology. C. Sociology. D. Offense. It is primarily based on the examination of the relationship of demographic and group variables to crime. A. Sociological criminology. B. Psychological criminology. C. Psychiatric criminology. D. Environmental criminology. The study of crime focused on the group of people and society as a whole. A. Sociological criminology. B. Psychological criminology. C. Psychiatric criminology. D. Environmental criminology. The science of behavior and mental processes of the criminal. It is focused in the individual criminal behavior, how it is acquired, evoked, maintained, modified. A. Sociological criminology. B. Psychological criminology. C. Psychiatric criminology. D. Environmental criminology. The science that deal with the study of crime through forensic psychiatry, the study of criminal behavior in terms of motives and drives that strongly relies on the individual. Psychoanalytic theory, Sigmund Freud traditional view. A. Sociological criminology. B. Psychological criminology. C. Psychiatric criminology. D. Environmental criminology. It also explains that criminals are acting out of uncontrollable animalistic, unconscious, or biological urges. Modern view. A. Sociological criminology. B. Psychological criminology. C. Psychiatric criminology. D. Environmental criminology. The scientific analysis of the causes of crime. A. Criminal behavior or criminal etiology. B. Sociology of law. C. Penology or correction. D. None of these. The study of crime must always be in relation with the existing criminal law in the territory. A. An applied science. B. A social science. C. Dynamic. D. Nationalistic. Criminology changes as social condition changes. That means the progress of criminology is concordant with the advancement of other science that have been applied to it. A. An applied science. B. A social science. C. Dynamic. D. Nationalistic. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.